I welcome all the students of Standard 7 to my online class. Students, we have already studied two chapters earlier from literature book and now it's time for the practice to do something. To start with, I want to take up unit number 1 and this unit number 1 starts with article. Article is a word which is well known to you. Still, to know something more, I want to tell you that article is part of determiners. A determiner is a fixing word. Similarly, article also refers to some noun. Article has its two kinds, definite article and opposite of it. A and are not definite article, while the or the is definite article. There are certain rules for using these definite and non-definite articles. But at this time, instead of delving deep into it, it's better to do the worksheets to save our time. So let us see what is in worksheet 1. In worksheet 1, read the passage given below. Try to understand the use of a and the. Now here, students, you can see very well, there is a passage and there are articles in bold letters. How they have been used, that's what you have to understand. The rules are already given here. You have to follow certain rules and then many worksheets also are given so that you can understand those rules properly through practice. You know that practice makes a child perfect. So you have to be perfect by putting yourself to more and more practice. Now let us move to the other part of this worksheet. In worksheet 1, there is only a passage, while in worksheet 2, you have to fill in the blanks with either a or an. You have to use indefinite articles here. To be well convinced so that you may not make any mistake, I am filling up these gaps. You go on marking them. My father is an honest man. Second, he is very rich, still he drives an old car. There is a lake in the park near my house. Would you like a cold drink? From these answers, you must have understood that on is used before any sound which is vowel sound. A is used before a consonant sound. Here, honest and old in both almost O sounds are here, and for this reason, on has been used at both places. While la and ka, they fall under the category of consonant, so A has been used in both these blanks. Now let us move to other part of it. Now 5 number. It was an hour long ordeal. I am reading an excellent book. It is about a scientist who needs an umbrella when it rains. It's a delight to get wet. A one eyed man is not eligible to get a driving license. 9 number. Of all the shopping you have done, I see only this book as a useful thing. Dan is a European. Now in last two 9 and 10, you are finding that you has been used, the sound you, useful and European. According to the article letters A, E, I, O, U, EU is vowel but un has not been used in any of these two places in the blanks of 9 and 10. The reason is quite clear that even if EU appears to be here, but this U is not vowel sound. U, when it comes in the beginning of umbrella, then an umbrella, because U sound becomes a sound and a sound is a vowel sound. But here U remains the same U, and that is not in truth vowel sound. For this reason, A has been used here. Must mark these explanations also. Now let us move to next slide. Worksheet 3. See question here. Write the correct article A or an in the following blanks or put no article where it is not necessary. Now let us see what we have to do here. There was an emergency, so we had to rush. I want to tell you that emergency is used both as countable and non-countable noun. That's why it depends upon situation. There was an emergency, so we had to rush. If there had been any crisis, then there was emergency, so we had to rush. Here, on will be suitable because nowadays it is profusely being considered as countable noun. Now he got his higher education at a university in the USA. Next is, Hina thought it would be a good idea to join a union. We are looking for an accommodation in the West. Accommodation is also a word which has some controversy about its being countable or non-countable. But we are looking for an accommodation in the West means any that place which may be suitable for us. That's why an can be used. Now, fifth number, give the children an inch and they will take a yard, said Mr. Poller. You can see here very well. I have sometimes to slide my portrait from up to down. You have to be careful. You can understand it very well. Will you buy for me a loaf of bread on your way back? Now, seventh number, he mustered courage and climbed up the stage. Courage is an abstract noun, and so there is no need of any noun. The boy gave me a 1 rupee coin. Now, again, you can understand very well here that O stands for wa, and wa is not a vowel sound, so A will be used before 1. The boy gave me a 1 rupee coin. The man of wisdom. Wisdom again is abstract noun. Abstract noun doesn't take any article. So, the man of wisdom lives in the fort 2 kilometers from here. One specified person is here. That's why definite man, the man, and the fort also, which is at some distance from that place, that is for that region, definite article has been used. The man of wisdom lives in the fort 2 kilometers from here. Here, the man of, in blank you have to write no article, a zero, and then a line across it, perpendicular from up to down. Now next, match column A with column B to understand the use of the. When you have to use the and when and what does it mean, that's what you have to understand. The situations are given on the right column. You have to match the proper the with the proper situation. Now, according to those rules, you have to write the answer properly. Here, the Kaziranga sanctuary is in Assam. What has been done here? Particularization. And that's why in this blank you have to write 1. In second, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Here, 3 number. The sun is unique. There is no any other sun like the sun. So, third number is the right number. Here, 2 we have already done. Now, this is third. He has invited us to his party. The party will be on a houseboat. The C number, in C number you have to write 2. Here, repetition of the word party. That's why when the same thing is to be repeated, that thing becomes definite, and so definite article is used before the word. Now in fourth, D number, you have to write 1. I visited the lady who looks after the orphanage. Particularization. The air in the mountains is refreshing. Here again particularization. So number 1 you have to write. 5 number 1. 6 number, he plans to climb the Himalayas. This is mountain range, so 5 number you have to give. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Again here particularization, and so 1 number. Now next, the daughter of the king married a pauper. Again particularization. The daughter of the king married a pauper. Number 1. The priest is the head of the village community. Again 1 number. Glenda has gone to the United States. She wants to sail across the Mississippi. Here place and river, the country and the river. So again the particularization for country 1 and Mississippi for 5. It means 1 and 5 both are applicable here. Glenda has gone to the United States for this part 1, and she wants to sail across the Mississippi. For it 5, 1 5 are applicable. She wants to sail across the Mississippi. This is how, children, you have to fill up these gaps. You have to remember what is an article, what are its kinds, and how these articles are used on the basis of certain rules. These articles are very useful because they are not only separate entities in themselves, rather they are parts of determiners, so they will be helpful to you when you start learning the chapter determiners as well. So I think that you will do according to the answers given to you, and I think that my this portrait won't make any difference to your understanding, rather it will help you. You may feel my presence even if I am not with you at your individual homes. Let us expect for the classroom activity so that we can be face to face with one another, and then the things can be done in a better way. It's all right. Thank you all.